Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful recipe, Kabayaki eggplant over rice. Let's jump right in. Start by taking eggplant, cutting it into two segments, and peeling it. Bring water to a boil and steam the eggplant for 5 minutes. While that's steaming away, chop up some green onions into small pieces. Now, let's whip up the Kabayaki sauce. Mix light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, honey, sugar, and water thoroughly. Set it aside. Once the steamed eggplant has cooled a bit, make cuts down the middle without fully separating it. Then slice it into small pieces following the natural lines. Heat some oil in a pan and gently fry the eggplant over low heat until both sides are a beautiful golden brown. Carefully flip them to prevent any breakage. Now, the magic touch. Pour that luscious Kabayaki sauce over the eggplant, making sure every piece is coated. When the sauce thickens, turn off the heat and sprinkle some white sesame seeds on top. Serve the eggplant on a bed of rice and garnish with those freshly chopped green onions. Voila! Kabayaki eggplant over rice, ready to tantalize your taste buds. Give this recipe a go, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.